morning everybody. Today is the day. I'm so excited. What is this? I don't know what that little dance was. Please excuse me. Yeah, today is the day that I am finishing my walk-in wardrobe. Well, my bag and shoe room. Stupidest idea I've had lately. Yeah, it's being finished today. I have a mirror arriving. I'm gonna get the rug out. I need to unpack the planter for the little plant that's in the room. I'm very excited for this. I'm excited to see it all come together. But first I need to pop into the office. I've got a few admin bits to sort out, so let's go. Love this. This is so beautiful. That's not that right there, that's not so beautiful, but yeah, I love this. Whilst we're here, hello crazies. Hi. Outfit of the day whilst we're here. I really like this outfit. I was kind of saving it for when this mirror got here. Oh my god, I love this mirror, it's so cool. So this beret is it's from Topshop last year. The jumper is ASOS last year. The necklace is Estee Lauder Daisy. The earrings are ASOS from the summer. Jewelry wise, I have an Olivia Burton cuff and then an Olivia Burton watch, which is not, there we go, it's focused now. I love this black watch. I have worn it so much over the past couple of weeks. It's so beautiful. And then my rings are Olivia Burton, and then one really old ring from my nana. Other ring is my Disney ring. And then I'm wearing a Zara belt. These are the like BDG jeans from Urban Outfitters, which I love. And then we have my, where's our trainers? And I was also wearing my Bershka leather jacket with this earlier when I was out as well. Yeah, I didn't get to vlog in the office very much because I just kind of got in, did my stuff and came back here ready for this to be delivered. I am obsessed with this. I'm so happy with it. It's just perfect. It's exactly what I've been kind of like looking for and thinking up that I needed. So I'm really excited to get this kind of into place a little bit more, although I think I'm going to kind of leave it there for now because I've got the paint swatches that I need to go over. And then I need to get this rug out, and then I need to sort this suitcase out so badly. I did not unpack like I was supposed to when I got back from Disneyland, and I am now regretting it.
Put sellotape on the rug. Ah.
It's finally finished, which means I can finally give you a full tour of my bag and shoe room. Closet tour? Shoe room. Watch, like, I don't know what to call this room. Susie's ridiculous extra room that she doesn't need. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the door. So as you come in, we have this mirror. This is the mirror that has just arrived. It's from Next. It is stunning, and I think it's possibly the biggest mirror I own. It's amazing. And then this rug is also from Next. It just kind of adds just a little bit of extra something. I love this rug so much. And then we have this hook on the wall, which is currently displaying my favourite ginormous bag, and it doesn't really sit so nicely in the cupboards behind me, so I thought I would just hang it there, and I think it looks really cute. Then after the mirror you have this little seat. This is actually part of my sofa from downstairs, but my living room is slightly awkward and it doesn't quite fit in, so just when I don't need it, I decided very early on in the year that it would live right up here, and it actually looks really, really cute. It looks lovely with the pink pillows on it, and it's just a really nice spot where I can put my shoes on and kind of sit. Then next to it we have this planter. This is new. This is also from Next. I really love Next for their home stuff. It's got a little mother-in-law's tongue or something like that. I think that's what it's called. Then behind it we have this built-in cupboard, which doesn't really house very much. It's a slightly awkward little cupboard, so it just kind of has suitcases and things like that in it. Then we've got my cables and routers and all of that, and this lamp which just follows me everywhere and has been following me everywhere since I first moved out. And I don't love it, but actually I've decided I'm gonna keep it because if I move again, it might actually work in my next place, and it doesn't actually look that bad there either, although there's no bulb in it, so it's kind of pointless. Then we move on to the main event. These are my new wardrobes. These are from IKEA, as you will have seen if you've watched the rest of my Vlogtober vlogs. Putting these together has been an ongoing ordeal. There's one space, I think, just one space. Oh, two. Actually, there's a space up there. My Balenciaga is usually up there, and my YSL trainers are normally here, but they were part of my outfit today, so they're currently not in the wardrobe. But yeah, that is the wardrobe. I'll take you through that in a second. And then behind the door I have this kind of grid. I hate these hooks. I hate them, but they came with the house and I cannot be bothered to change them, so they are staying. But I have this kind of grid pin board, but it has little pegs on it and you can kind of hang stuff off of it, which is great. So I just pop that on the back of the door, and it's got so many hooks along the back, so this isn't just hanging on one hook. It's actually kind of handy. So yeah, that's what's on the back of the door. And in terms of the wardrobe, this is as far back as I can get to show you a full view, but yeah, there's a lot of wardrobe going on, and when you order these there's actually an extra cube that you can put on top. They're just slightly too tall and we couldn't get them on top of here, so on top of there is just boxes and things like that, which are actually keeping the weight of it, because I have not fixed this to the wall yet. Loads of people kind of went a bit crazy about that in my vlogs. I am not equipped to be drilling into walls myself. That is just not something I should be doing. So yeah, I have people in my life that can do that, but they're not always around immediately when you set something up. So that's the main reason that they're not fixed to the wall yet. But yeah, so this is kind of like a little overview of what is going on in there. So I'll kind of take you through bit by bit. I'll do top to bottom, I think. So in this wardrobe, like I said, we usually have my Balenciaga bag. I've got my Chloe boots up here, and then I have a row of Chloe bags. I love these ones so much. My Valentino bag, and then my Aquazzura shoes, an Aspinall bag, some Zara boots, some Acne boots, a Coach bag, and a Mulberry bag. And then on this side I have jewellery and perfumes and assorted bits up top, which has kind of made the side chest of drawers in my bedroom that little bit cleaner and more tidy, which I really like. And I like the fact that having something a little bit different that isn't just a bag up top kind of breaks it up. It's like a little piece of interest. And then I have a YSL clutch bag. I kind of use this section for my kind of fancier or favourite things. So I have my YSL clutch, my Chanel, my YSL shoes, my Topshop snake print boots, and then some Topshop glittery boots. These I probably will never throw away because they're just so fun. And then up the top of this one I have my Gucci trainers and then a Gucci bag. I have my YSL velvet maroon bag, and then my YSL trainers normally go here. I've then got a YSL little leather bag, and then my Gucci loafers. We then have a Marc Jacobs pair of trainers, and then a Marc Jacobs belt bag, and then we have a row of 3 Topshop boots. These are some of my favourite Topshop boots, and then obviously it ties in nicely with the pair of Topshop boots here. And then down the bottom we have the Givenchy Antigona and the Prada velvet backpack. And the thing I love about this setup is as my collection grows, or as I want to store different things. So for example, I've been thinking about having knitwear across the bottom all folded, and then bags kind of going further up, something like that potentially, or like hoodies and knitwear and things like that. If I need to expand or change my wardrobe situation, I can have the bags just in kind of, let me show you. So I think at some point when I do need more space, I'll have the bags like this going along if things need to be a bit more compact. I'm feeling quite flexible with it, but just for now I thought this would be beautiful. just to have everything kind of on display for a little bit, and then I'm going to see how I get on. But yeah, that is my kind of bag situation. And then I've got a few other bags which just kind of live downstairs because I'm always using them. So yeah, that is my wardrobe tour. I just absolutely love it in here. It's beautiful. I'm never going to want to move now. But I love that all of these items in the room are so versatile. So if I ever do want to move, then they can all kind of come with me. All of these wardrobes and everything, and kind of be used in maybe a different capacity, I don't know. Yeah, that renting life is real, so I tried to make sure that everything that went in this room was really, really versatile, because I don't plan on always having 3 bedrooms. The situation this year has obviously been a bit weird, so yeah, I just thought I would make this room look a little bit pretty. Hello, you're interrupting me. But yeah, like I was saying, that is renting life, just trying to make sure everything is as versatile as physically possible. Yeah, I love this room so much. This mirror is absolutely ginormous. I can't actually get over it. It's kind of made me realise how big this spare room was. I always thought of it as being quite small, but it's actually so humongous for like a 3rd small bedroom. I wish I'd done this sooner. It would have been so nice to film in front of all year, so yeah. But I love it. I love it so much, it's so pretty. But yeah, that is my little wardrobe tour. I don't think there's much else to say. If you're wondering about the jewellery stand, because I didn't mention that, that's from Urban Outfitters. And I think everything else I have mentioned where it is from, but I will try and link as much as I can in the info box below for you. And the only thing I don't know where it's from is the light, which I do sometimes get asked about. I don't personally love it. It came with the house, and lighting is like my least favourite thing ever, so it stayed. But yeah, that is my little wardrobe tour. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. I'm gonna go out for some lunch now. I might sit in this room for a little bit and just kind of soak it in. Hey! Are you just chilling?
I gotta keep getting money spiders on me. Am I going to come into loads of money soon?
Is that how it works?
Yeah, that's what it means. Little money spiders. It's meant to mean that we're going to get money.
I'm not sure that's how it works. Yeah. So it's been a wee while since I last saw you. I'm wearing my giant puffer jacket from Pretty Little Thing. The collars on this are way too high. I feel very strange. But I've been out on lunch. I've had a bagel. Went and did something that's a little bit secret that I'll be telling you about soon, and now I'm on my way to the office and then to the gym, hence why I look like this. Oh yeah. Also bought this cute little thing the other day so I don't have to use plastic bottles anymore. How fun is that? Also, how cute. So yeah, that is what my afternoon has been like. I also just sat on my rug for a good like 5 minutes in my new bag and shoe room. But I really like it. It's like when I was a kid, my friend used to have this, well, her sister had this cabinet which was like white with glass kind of doors, and it had all of her like special Barbies in it, and I just used to sit and look at it. You weren't allowed to touch them. I just had to sit and look at it, and I used to just stare at it in awe, just being like, oh my god, this is amazing. But yeah, it reminds me of that because I was just sitting in the room staring at these glass cabinets. It's like flashbacks to my childhood. But yeah, very happy with it. It's been a good day. Glad it's all done so that now I can just pack all of the cardboard down and all the rubbish and just get back to my normal day-to-day life. Lois is here, by the way.
Hey.
Just loitering.
Gross and sweaty.
Don't worry, I'll be looking gross and sweaty in a minute. I'm gonna look so cute after the gym. That is all. I'm about to go and do a call in the office. We're uploading the Disney vlog day 1, and then I've got the gym. Also, how pretty is this view? I love living in Brighton. So cute. I'm gonna go now, wash them up, and I will see you guys on Monday. Goodbye.